What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. First of all, I just like to say thank you very much, guys, for watching the videos, and secondly, thank you for subscribing and commenting to the channel. I really appreciate that, guys. So today on this video, I'm gonna talk about 4 tricks, guys, you can use to make your beard look fuller, thicker, and even. These tricks, man, they are not permanent and they're not gonna take time, man, for you to do them. Very easy tricks, man. They are instant tricks so that your beard can look awesome. Now, before I say anything else, let me just jump straight to trick number 1. So the first trick that you can use to make your beard look thicker, even, and fuller is trimming it down, man. I know this is one of the tricks that you guys won't like because you're gonna lose your gains, but think about this, man. If you have a patchy spot, this means that the beard on your patchy spot is very short. So when you cut all the other beard surrounding that patchy spot, it's gonna look even, man. It might not look that thicker, but it's gonna look even and it's gonna look very representable. So try it, guys, because your beard is gonna look nice. While you're on your minoxidil journey, you're gonna enjoy it because now it's not gonna demotivate you or anything like that. You're just gonna have shorter beard. Trick number 2. With the trick number 2, I'm saying you should groom your beard. But now, grooming in a different way, man. I know you guys always groom your beard, but this time around I'm talking about lining it up in your jaw and also in your cheek line. The reason why I say you should line it up is because when your beard is lined up and also when you're brushing it downwards, you are actually covering those patchy areas, and also when you're lining up, it just looks thicker, man. It's one of the tricks that you can use. As you can see, I also lined up mine this past week, and I will show you the picture. It looks thicker. It looks like, man, I've got this crazy gains, and to be honest with you, it's really not like that. Before I started lining my beard. Trick number 3. Now this one, probably you've heard about it. Probably some of you tried it, but this is one of the tricks that actually works. Doesn't matter whether you have a short beard, long beard, as long as you're using this trick. This is dyeing your beard. Obviously, you must use the right dye to dye your beard and the right color as well. So you can go online and get yourself some beard dye and dye that beard, and I'm telling you, man, it's gonna work. The main reason why this dyeing thing works is because, you see, when you're on minoxidil, a lot of your hair or a lot of your beard is actually vellus hair, and you know vellus hair is very transparent, it's very light. So when you dye your beard, you're actually dyeing your vellus hair to look darker. So all your areas will look darker, man, because of the dark vellus hair that you just dyed. So this one, man, works. Trust me. If you want to have a thicker, fuller, and even beard, you should try dyeing. Last but not least trick that you can use, man, this one is very exciting. I just saw it from a good friend of mine, and also I went through and check it out. This is one of the exciting one. I never did it before, but I think it's safe and it's also very easy. You should use hair fiber. So hair fiber is one of the hair loss treatment that people use. It doesn't have it doesn't have side effect. That is very easy. You can apply hair fiber in your patchy area or all over your beard, and then you can wash it off. So as you can see from the video there, guys, you see, you just only apply it and then late at night you wash it off. It doesn't really prevent your hair to grow, it just fill up your beard. But there's a thing, when you apply the hair fiber, they will make sure that you will be in an area whereby there will be no heavy rains, because if there is a heavy rain, it's gonna start to drip off and it's gonna show that you're using hair fiber. So these tricks, man, you can use them while you're on minoxidil journey so that you don't give up or you don't get disappointed with that patchy, stubborn area that we all have, man. Guys, if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment if you feel like there is something that I didn't mention during this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're in South Africa and you're looking for minoxidil foam version, you can go to the link on the description. That's where you can buy the minoxidil, and also I made a video about how to buy minoxidil. You can check the icon there, and don't forget guys, minoxidil is the way. Cheers.